welcome back, you behind that TV, behind that cell phone, behind that tablet, whatever you guys are watching me on. I know you don't want to hear me talk, but hear me out. I want to say thanks for subscribing. I'm pretty close to my 1,000 subscriber goal mark, and it's pretty awesome. It's thanks to you guys' support. So if you just stumble upon this video or seeing me for the first time on YouTube, I highly recommend checking out my other videos. I have a lot of car how-tos, travel vlogs, adventures, and I'm pretty family oriented. So with that being said, I'll bring you guys to this video. No, you're tired of hearing me talk, but this is about Pinstripe. It's an easy way for you guys to stand out from the crowd and make your vehicle pop. So right now, I have a front lip and side skirts installed on my vehicle, and I'm going to show you guys how I install this to make it pop out and stand out from the rest of the crowd. With that being said, I don't know why I threw that down. I need to pick it back up. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the garage and I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright, keep in mind, this is just a little project that I think stands out for the cars and everything. Everybody's gonna have their own opinions, and I respect everybody's opinion. Alright, and there's the finished result. Say hi. While the car is clean, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all the orange accents I have on it. Alright, come up to the front. I did pinstripe this. Alright, so that's what this is. It's pinstripe. Everything that I'm going to show you is going to be the same thing, pinstripe. So I got those pinstriped. Come down to the lower lip. This is also pinstriped. Looks really good. Has an extra pop. What I did on the ends, as you can see, I just kind of curve it down towards the middle of it. Looks pretty good. Come down to the side. You get the side skirts. And then you also have the mud flaps. I'll show you from the rear, it all kind of comes together. So here's the pinstripe. As you can see, I kind of curve it up towards the top up here. And then the same thing comes down to the middle, off to the side. Look towards the back, same thing. And like I said before, kind of flows, so you can see the orange. And then even pops up towards the front. You can't really tell on the camera, let me zoom in. And there it goes, even pokes up towards the front, that winglet of the front lip. Move back even further. And I did the back as well. So I just pretty much outlined the rear diffuser. And it comes down just like that. Back all the way up for you guys. So it's actually pretty fitting. Everything kind of goes together. I don't know if you can see in this lighting, let me switch it up. There it goes. So it just looks overall like it matches. There's the other orange accents right there. So that's pretty much all I did for the orange. On top of that, I did do some on the interior. That's gonna be it before I go pretty too ham with this stuff. So I got the orange here, comes through, and it kind of just goes around the car. So don't look too bad, right? I like it. So that's pretty much it for the pinstripe.